All right, thank you for joining me on this question. I'd like to look specifically at question 4b. Now this says to express the following in terms of log of m and log of n both to base a. And so let's write the question. We've got the log and it's to base a, and we've got the square root of m on the numerator. We've got n cubed on the denominator. We've got a 2/3 here. All right, so let's start by saying, well, what property am I going to use? I'm going to take this 2/3 here, because that's on the outside of the bracket. I'm going to use this property, which is the log of x, and if you've got a power equals that power here, the n can be written in front multiplied by the log of x to base a. I'm going to use that property, so I'm going to take that 2/3 and multiply that by the log of the square root of m over n cubed, and that's to base a. Now the next property I'm going to use is this division property, where we've got some log of, say, an x to base a, subtract the log of a y to base a, and that is equal to the log of x over y, and it's to base a. So I'm going to take this division here, and the numerator, first of all, is the square root of m. So I'll just leave that 2/3 in front, and because this is going to be a subtraction here, we're going to have the log of the numerator to base a, and the log of the denominator to base a. And notice, if it's the log of a fraction, is the log of numerator minus the log of the denominator. So be careful with that, and that is using that property. Now I'm going to take that square root of m and I'm going to change the square root of m into m to the power of a half, and then I will use this first rule again up here. So let's just say that's 2/3 the log of a m to the half, and the log of a n cubed. Now you can see I'm going to take that half, and I'm going to take that cube and apply this rule that we wrote up here, this property up here, where there's a power, you can multiply that down. So here we go. The 2/3 stays in front of the bracket, and that half is multiplied by the log of m, and that cubed is 3 times the log of n. And to finish, I'm going to expand here, because that's 2/3. I could say 2/3 times a half is 1/3. And then 2/3 times 3 is 2. And there we go. That will do. We've got it in terms of log of m to base a and log of n to base a, and we're finished. I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.